So for today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel all of your subscriptions on your Cash App card. So first, you need to open your Cash App application on your device and just simply navigate to your profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen and just simply navigate to the support. And once you're in, just click on the something else and simply click on the cash card and try to contact their support by clicking the contact support icon and click the not about a transaction and click on chat. After that, you will be able to chat or say your concern regarding your cancellation of all the subscriptions on your Cash App card. And that's how you cancel subscriptions on your Cash App card using the chat support of the Cash App. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.